Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Rizani. I am one of the students from UPTM and today I am excited to present why Microsoft OneDrive is the ideal cloud solution for our businesses. As companies continue to modernize, cloud migration has become essential for efficiency, security, and scalability. In this presentation, we will explore the benefits of OneDrive, how it integrates seamlessly with our existing systems, its robust security features, and the steps needed to ensure a smooth transition. Additionally, I will highlight the cost saving we can achieve by moving to the cloud. So, the first point is why Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive stands out as a cloud solution due to its seamless integration with Microsoft 365 and ERP systems like Dynamics. This means that our workflows remain uninterrupted while enhancing collaboration across teams. Security is a top priority for any businesses, and OneDrive offers enterprise-level security, including encryption, strict user access control, and compliance with major regulations such as GDPR, SOC2, and HIPAA. Furthermore, OneDrive provides the flexibility to scale as our businesses grows, allowing us to expand storage without investing in costly hardware. Beyond that, the platform enhances productivity by enabling real-time collaboration through familiar Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we move on to the second point of this presentation is benefits of cloud adoption. Unlike traditional on-premise solutions that require upfront hardware investments, OneDrive allows us to scale storage dynamically based on demand. Cost saving are another significant factor. By eliminating physical hardware and maintenance expenses, we reduce capital expenditure while also optimizing workflows through automation. Additionally, cloud migration improves overall efficiency by enabling employees to collaborate in real time, access files from anywhere, and leverage modern technology for seamless operation. After that, we are going to move to the third point of presentation, which is the risk analysis and mitigation. While cloud migration presents many benefits, there are certain risks to consider which can be effectively mitigated. Data security remains a primary concern, but OneDrive addresses this through encryption both in transit and at rest, along with multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Compliance is another critical aspect, and OneDrive meets industry standards, ensuring our businesses adheres to necessary regulation. To minimize potential downtime during migration, a phased approach will be implemented, starting with small-scale testing before deployment. Migration will also be scheduled during non-peak hours to avoid disrupting daily operations. And then to the next point, which is migration roadmap. A structured migration plan is essential for a smooth transition to OneDrive. The first phase involves preparation and assessment, where we evaluate our current infrastructure, review security policies, and set clear cloud strategy goals. This process typically takes around 2 months. Next, we move into the planning stage, which lasts 1 to 2 months and includes setting key performance indicators known as KPIs, budgeting, and confirming OneDrive as selected platform. The migration itself happens in 2 stages. The pilot migration. The pilot migration lasting 1 to 2 months, starting with non-critical files to test performance and collect user feedback. After making necessary adjustment, we proceed to the full migration, which takes 2 to 3 months and involve moving all essential business data while ensuring real-time collaboration and data security. And finally, we move to the post-migration optimization and monitoring. Post-migration optimization ensures that we maximize efficiency by organizing data, monitoring security, and providing continuous training to the employees. And then to the cost analysis. From a financial perspective, cloud migration results in significant cost saving while there are initial subscription fees. These are easily offset by the elimination of expenses related to the hardware, maintenance, and inefficiencies. Long-term savings are achieved through reduced downtime, enhanced productivity, and lower operational costs. So, in conclusion, transitioning to Microsoft OneDrive presents a secure, cost-effective, and scalable solution for our businesses. By following a structured migration plan, we can ensure a seamless transition while unlocking the full potential of cloud collaboration. That's all from me. Thank you for your time, and I am happy to take any questions. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.